so here's what you do. Loosen this and take this grip off and slide this down, and then you'll be able to get in. This isn't letting you. But yeah, so we are gonna need new bars.
But they're cheap. They're 27.
Well, if that's the case, move that and hit that bitch with a hammer and push it just back up.
It's true.
Instead of taking all that stuff off.
I gotta take it all off anyway.
Oh hey, no, I know what the problem is. It's not bent. It was just slid all the way in.
So we just like didn't we just literally say it fell on the side and pushed the bar all the way in?
I thought you meant it bent.
Thank you, Brian. I didn't know you were Googling.
I was really half paying attention.
You were happy as hell. You forgot. Oh, I figured it out.
I was.
I'm so sorry. It's not a bad bike. For 1,000, it's definitely not a bad bike.
Why you buy it?
Huh?
Why you buy it?
I got a boost. If I had to buy another 1,000, it'd definitely be a Gibson, not a Cali.
Put the purple power on that bitch.
Purple power leaves a white residue.
Like, wash it off with a rag when you're done.
I don't feel like washing it off. I'm just doing it to see what we got right now. So I'm gonna still take it all apart. I just want to get all this dirt off of it. See what we got working. Pull the front bearing. Probably pull the exhaust. Pull the frame slide.
How did Copart get it?
Insurance. Alright.
What you're gonna do anything on that side?
No, I'm not.
Yes, so that rim is definitely bent right there.
Yeah. Get another one.
I mean, we could fix that.
It was just bent.
What they do, because I saw when they fixed my rims, all they do is they heat it up with a torch
And
and then bang it back.
Hey, good news is I don't need the upper bracket than that. It's still intact. Just what was
How
around.
bad is the light? Can we save it?
I hope.
Watch your butt.
I'm not saying
No, you're blocking the entire view from the camera.
no. Oh,
Like, all they can see is your ass.
it's impressive. Right?
And then the thing is, if we talk about something cool, then I have to freaking edit it in somehow. Because I don't want to stare at your butt.
God damn, they painted the forks
Yep.
and everything.
Yep.
To fix that, we gotta take it all apart.
At what point did this bike become, well, are we really concerned about scratches?
He must have got hit, and that's how I got insurance claim. Somebody must have hit him. Cause this looks like it was a piece of crap, and he was riding it.
Yeah, I have no idea. Or it got stolen.
It didn't get stolen.
Yeah.
This would have been damaged.
The key that they could have had maybe repaid for it? I don't know.
Well, they were skeptical about that. The other way.
Remember when you were trying to get the freaking gas tank open?
Bend it back. If you want, we could delete the ignition if you want.
No.
Kill switch on that bad boy, call it day.
Do that.
No, it could be a great stunt bike.
Is it stunt bike worth more than a regular bike?
It depends. This bike has 41,000 miles on it. About even.
Why don't we go full race bike then?
What do you mean?
She sound good.
See, it works.
Is it burning oil?
Yeah, on the ring. He must have been a stunner. Because one, that scratch on the back doesn't come from nothing over Willie's, right?
It's a perfect bike for it.
Self-tappers. Give me you got baggies? Ziploc bags? I need for hardware. Break it all down, clean it all up.
Where's the headlight at?
over there.
Where's the windshield at?
The new kit comes with all that. That's why, yeah, we're definitely getting everything. It comes with the paint pad, the windscreen, all that with it.
Buy the motor for this thing.
Oh, what, that? Oh, yeah. A little busy now.
So what's up? How's it coming?
I'm fixing the clutch one. First thing going. Pull the clutch handle for me. Push it over. Glad you showed it.
You ready?
Yeah, do it.
Feels worse. It is worse.
Yeah, I got you. I'm not doing it.
Yeah, you gotta pull it to you a long way.
Thank you, Captain. Appreciate that.
Hey, pull to you. Yeah, you got adjustment on here too now.
Yeah. I want it all the way out up there. That way I don't have to undo this and do it. I can do it all with the hand control.
Yeah. You actually got a full throw now though, which is
That's cool. All right,
refreshing.
so now let me see. She'll still try to follow. Well, no problem. Fixed already.
Knocking them down.
Looks brilliant. The area.
Now, does the new fairing come with that?
Does not come with that.
The front bumper?
That's not a bumper.
Or
Oh, the fender?
fender.
Yes. The entire kit is like 13 pieces. It's the entire bike.
I didn't know it was cheaper to piece it.
And the reason why we should really go with the painted ones, it comes with the windscreen. It comes with all the extra shit that we would need.
The painted one, the non-painted don't.
Non-painted, no. They come with just the
Well,
bike.
then, yeah, whatever makes it. If it's cheaper in the long run, I mean, go with the painted.
It's cheaper,
Well,
long
what-
run,
what
time
color?
run. It's gonna be, I gotta go black. I have a choice. Green will look horrible with the red wheels.
But we can change. Well, we already gotta do something about the wheels anyhow.
Well, we have to paint the wheels? We could.
I mean, am I wrong?
Now you're changing the game. Yeah, we're not gonna put the frame size guard on.
Okay.
No reason for them. The aftermarket, we're not dropping the bike. Let the next guy worry about dropping the bike.
The motor was not black, it was that tan with the color.
Well, I think it's gonna be black when we're done with it.
That picture was deceiving. I'm just glad it runs.
Your exact words afterwards. Oh, don't worry. In fact, I have it in writing. Don't worry. Granberry will make it all better.
I did. I will make it all better.
It's coming from the guy who literally just 20 minutes ago asked me how much for it right now, just to get rid of it. It's not going to be worth all the work.
It's really because I was going to make it into my stunt bike, and it could stay trashy and whatever. I don't care. I'm doing wheelies.
But you can't register it
Why can't
because we have to fix it in order to register it.
I? I'll get some plastics on it. As long as it has the plastics on it, it doesn't matter. The frame's not bent. The motor's not bent. Structurally, it's good to go on the road. Just put some signal lights on. And the
Yeah.
lights and stuff, and we're good.
Well, okay. Here's the question: is it worth throwing all of the money of the parts you've looked at it into it?
Yeah. It's worth that. It's just the time. Like money and parts wise is worth it. But time wise, I mean, we can make it look decent and get it on the road.
What's going to make us?
What's gonna make the most money?
Well, not so much what's going to make the most money, but what's going to make the most efficient money. Because realistically,
Definitely not painting it.
Well, here's the trick with this. Everything we do, work-wise, we get content from, and content could, down the road, pay us. Granted, it's potential money, but it's not wasted time. You see where I'm going with this?
I got you, but we already have projects.
But we have. I mean, the more projects, the better. Because that's all content I get to. You know how much content I have to edit to get caught up to where we are right now? I have so much stuff.
So I'm saying you already have content.
But this is content
wanna
I can do
add
down the
more?
road. You know what I mean? It's not wasted time is what I'm getting at with it. So if it gets us more money in the end, what are we doing with our time anyhow right now?
Shit we would be doing anyway.
That was my point with this whole thing the whole thing.
Yeah.
I don't mind putting in the effort to like do this because this is going to cost in man hours far more than it would ever be worth to do.
Ouch.
Where are you planning on going?
once I get it all like mechanically sound, I want to be at least do some test runs.
So you just like the fact that she's set 5 on the negative and get it a
Full of charge, baby. Full of charge. You gotta get the angle right, because this one, through the blocks this way.
Mm-hmm.
Is it off? Looks like it?
Like he said, this is pretty much what's the front.
So nah, it's not. It's supposed to be. I don't even know what that if that's the right one right there.
Yeah,
We'll be
but
able
if
to set
it
them.
is correct,
Something like that.
What's wrong?
Trying to set the bars right.
it's not too bad.
This bottom bracket can pivot.
Can it?
Yeah, they can. They're separate. It's separate from the top.
Oh yeah. So you think
So
that
we
one
just-
might be tweaked in a little?
Yeah, so we're gonna set them to at least, even.
No, that's not loose.
So this needs to rotate this way.
The pipe needs to roll.
Yeah, the pipe needs to rotate, and then this needs to rotate that way. Well, no, you just rotated it like that.
That valve still works.
What about? Oh, does
That valve still works. You can
Good.
hear it. Come here, look at this. Let's see it. See it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, the cable's a shot, but
Well, whatever. We can
I'll
probably adjust
disconnect
them.
it. I'll pull it. No, you want it straight pipe. It's for emission.
But who cares? It works. It's stock. We leave it as a. Hey, look, it works.
Yeah, she is. Does this cable really work?
Yeah, it's moving.
Is it though?
Yeah, I'm watching the valve.
Oh, okay, so it is more.
Turn it off. Watch the valve. Just open. It just closed.
You can see it in the pipe.
Well, do it again. Yeah, oh yeah. Closed. Full open.
That's impressive because most of them don't work after that many miles.
Yeah, no,
All right,
I'm watching it.
It'd be great if it was a stunt bike. Now you're gonna have. All right.
right through a brake line.
Just feel like you're about to fall over because of no front end.
Oh, no front end, and
it's just like, this is.
I figured your issue would be more than no seat, but
Nah, I put my hoodie on it. Sit up. But
Right.
it's the right height and everything.
I made some good progress on the bike today. I got the controllability of the bike back. You know, when we first got it, it was really hard to drive. The controls were all messed up. Clutch didn't work. I mean, it was rough. It was a Copart bike. What do you expect, right? But by the end of the day, it's running a lot better. So we got to do a lot of cleanup and make it not look so trashy and, you know, make it look like a good bike. But now it drives like a good bike. Get a new tire and some other parts on it, some new plastics and everything. I think it's going to look like $1 million.